Every time you're in the hospital, people always use the word in an exaggerated way whenever they have a stressful or difficult day, shouting, "I'm losing my sanity." If you actually lose your sanity, you would need some mental and medical attention. Players lose sanity by spending time alone, using incorrect phrases when talking, and also on helpful thoughts and more. To restore sanity means to recoup and to realize our real potential. But this requires a power that is greater than ourselves. Many of us are back at the idea, but our best thinking active addition got us in the mess we find ourselves in. Now let's talk about sanity. Sanity can be simply put having a healthy state of mind. People with sanity doesn't have any loose marbles. To restore our sanity, one need connections. Time with family and friends can make troubles. The people who bring us joy may not even know the burdens we hold. So laughing and telling stories and even sharing our frustration can make us feel restored and our problems more manageable. 2. Build a solid morning routine. The best start you can give yourself for is to start a morning routine. This helps us control our schedules rather than our schedules controlling us. As we start each day fresh, we can focus on what's in front of us, prioritizing our time and increase our productivity. 3. Forgive yourself. It is easy to self-blame when we wrong ourselves in a horrible way. You might feel that there are things you should have done better and also known better. These are all craps. Let it go and focus on yourself. Bear in mind that you're always doing the best you can. 4. Rebuild in yourself. It's very easy to beat yourself up after being gaslighted. There's nothing you could have done and the past is the past. It's very important to take the time to rebuild on yourself, be kind on yourself and build on your strength. Bear in mind that healing takes time. Practicing these steps can enhance you and help you regain your sanity.